He stands before the symbols old, their shapes familiar, worn and bold. He lifts his hands and starts to guide a brighter way for them to glide. The patterns shift, the meanings grow, a fresh new truth begins to show. He breathes new life into the past, a vision meant to truly last. He gives the world a clearer view, transforming old to form the new. He shows the path that lights the way, a teaching voice that leads today. The images he works to mold become new stories gently told. The lessons change with every line, a bridge between the now and time. He breaks the patterns that confine and lets new meanings start to shine. A message rising warm and bright, a symbol touched with modern light. He gives the world a clearer view, transforming old to form the new. He shows the path that lights the way, a teaching voice that leads today. All sacred forms can change and grow when someone helps the truth to flow. He blends the past with living art and opens doors within the heart. He gives the world a clearer view, transforming old to form the new. He shows the path that lights the way, a teaching voice that